So in this lesson, we're looking at the advantages and disadvantages of CAD/CAM. First thing you need to do is answer all the questions at the bell work. I'll read them out, pause the video, and answer them into your book. So question number 1, which type of tree loses its leaves in winter? What is 622 millimeters in centimeters? What is 4,917 centimeters in millimeters? Which type of manufactured board is made with fine sawdust and glue? Which category of tree grows all year round? Does a specification need to be specific? And which category of timber does plywood belong to? Pause the video and answer the questions. So the answer to question number 1 is hardwood. 622 millimeters in centimeters is 62.2 centimeters. 4,917 centimeters in millimeters is 49,170 millimeters. Please make sure to put down the unit. Which type of manufactured board is made with fine sawdust and glue? That's MDF or medium density fiberboard. Which category of trees grow all year round? That's softwood. Does the specification need to be specific? Yes, it does. And which category of timber does plywood belong to? Again, manufactured wood or manufactured boards. So everything that you see in red, please do write down into your books. This will be part of your revision. So computer aided design. So CAD means computer aided design. These are systems for creating, modifying and communicating ideas for a product. It also includes the computer-aided design of the pattern pieces and lay plan for the product too. Pause the video and write this in your book using a red pen. So here are some examples of computer-aided design programs. So Photoshop is one, TechSoft 2D Design, which then goes to the laser cutter. We also have Autodesk 3ds Max. Can you think of more examples of CAD programs? Write a list down in your books. Now pause the video and do this task, please. Computer aided manufacture, CAM. So machines and processes that are controlled and programmed by computers to do a whole range of production processes. CAD and CAM systems are often closely linked. Please write the following into your books using a red pen. Some examples of computer-aided manufacture programs. So we've got laser cutter here, 3D printer, and also an embroidery machine. For this task, I would like you to write the following into your books, please. Can you think of any advantages and disadvantages for both CAD and CAM? So what are the advantages and disadvantages of computer-aided design? And what are the advantages and disadvantages of computer-aided manufacture? Pause the video and answer the question. So here are a few for you. If you didn't get them down, please write them in red pen into your books. So advantages and disadvantages of using CAD. So advantages first, can be more accurate than hand-drawn designs. It reduces human error. You can save and edit ideas, which makes it easier and cheaper to modify a design as you go along. You can modify existing ideas, which saves time. However, there are some disadvantages. The software itself can be expensive, so initial costs are high. There are free software packages available. Staff need to be trained and students need to be trained on how to use the software, which also adds to cost. It also requires a PC or a powerful laptop. The advantages and disadvantages of CAM, computer-aided manufacture. The advantages in large-scale production, the results are consistent. They are always the same. Enables very high accuracy levels in large-scale production. Usually speeds up production of low-volume products. However, there are disadvantages. The software itself is expensive, so initial costs are high. Can be slower than traditional methods for one-off or low volume production. Staff and students need to be trained how to use the software and machinery, which adds to cost. Pause the video, write any that you didn't have in red pen, please. Okay, here are some CAD and CAM advantage questions. So write the question and answer in your booklet. Use the because, but, and so method. How does the use of CAD improve the accuracy and precision of product designs compared to traditional human methods? In what ways does CAM help in reducing production time and cost for manufacturers? How can CAD and CAM integration lead to more efficient collaboration between design teams and production units? What role does CAD play in enabling rapid prototyping, and how does it enhance product testing before manufacturing? And finally, how can the use of CAM help manufacturers achieve consistency and reduce human error in mass production? Pause the video and answer the questions, please. A few more here for you. What are some of the challenges and limitations associated with training employees to use CAD and CAM software effectively? How do high initial costs for CAD and CAM software and hardware impact small and medium-sized enterprises? What are the potential risks of software malfunctions or technical issues that could disrupt the design and manufacturing process in CAD and CAM systems? How can over-reliance on CAD and CAM systems lead to lack of manual craftsmanship and the loss of traditional skills in certain industries? In what ways might CAD and CAM technology struggle to handle highly complex and unconventional designs that fall outside the capabilities of standard software? Pause the video and answer the questions, please. Finally, we have some scenario questions. A startup in the automotive industry is developing a new vehicle prototype. How might CAD software assist in the design phase, and how could CAM help in the manufacturing of components? Question number 2. A company producing custom furniture receives an order for a highly intricate, one-of-a-kind design. How would CAD and CAM help streamline the process from design to production? And finally, a large-scale electronics manufacturer is looking to optimize its mass production of smartphones. How would CAM software help in ensuring uniformity and reducing defects in the assembly line? Pause the video and answer the questions, please.